Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to make playlist on YouTube Music. So to do that, head over to your YouTube application. Once you are there, just head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right. Once you are there, you will find the option of playlists. Here, just beside the view all, you will see a plus icon. Just tap on it. And this new playlist layout will appear. You have to give your title right here. Suppose I'm giving a title like A, S, T, F, G. And if you want it to be private, public, or unlisted, you can also make that. Currently, I'm keeping it in private. And if you want someone to add their collaboration, you can just turn it on. And yeah, then tap on create. Here you go, your new playlist is created. This is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.